Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Airalo Esim not working. Airalo Esim data is not working due to the mobile data being turned off. This might be a common problem to solve when using an Airalo Esim. Before getting in touch with customer support, make sure the mobile data on your device is turned on. The eSIM is out of the coverage range just like it happens with SIM cards. People need to make sure if they are inside the coverage range. This is something common to see, and that's why before purchasing an eSIM, it's necessary to check its coverage range. The device doesn't have open bands when using a device. In order for the Airalo eSIM to work, it's a must that the device has open bands. As virtual SIM cards work with carriers worldwide, devices that only work with local carriers won't be capable of using the Airalo eSIM. Then, the APN needs to be updated when using a new virtual SIM card. Some devices will require changing the APN for the mobile device to start working. In most cases, this is done automatically once the eSIM is activated. But if not, people will need to change the APN and set up a new one that comes with the Airalo eSIM for data to start working. Roaming is not activated on your device as you travel with an eSIM. Ensure roaming is activated once you arrive at your destination. If roaming is not activated upon arrival, the mobile data won't work until this option is turned on. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.